Welcome back to another day of trading. 6:30, the market's open. Today is December 20th, 2024. It's Friday. We got the last trading day of the week. We're going to wait for our first 5 minutes to set our levels and see what the market gives us today. Alright, we got our levels set. We have our 5-minute high. Our 5-minute low actually coincides with a previous day liquidity zone that hadn't been touched for a while, but looks like in pre-market last night it ranged up and down through it. So we have, this is a weekly zone that we hadn't touched in close to a month. And then this is just a daily zone that had been touched once or twice. This is going to be a tough zone to get above, or back above. Not dictating which way the market's going to go, but odds are we'll probably see the market go down again like we did yesterday. But we sit and wait to see if we could break above our 5-minute high, or break above our 5-minute low. We'll wait for a retest and then hop in. We're getting a little bit of a displacement above the 5-minute high. That's what we like to see. Now let's wait, get a bit of a retest with strong price action, and we can hop into a long here, actually. Right here I have previous day low, and this white line, I haven't moved this white line for about what was it, about a month or so, maybe it's a month and a half. This was right around when we were voting and we found out that Trump was going to be president, and then the market went on like a run, a massive bull run. This was all-time highs for a long time, and then we just blew through it. I kind of kept this line because we do bounce around it when we come close to it. So just a level to note as well. As of right now, we've got really great displacement, and we're slowly stepping down back into our 5-minute high. I want to see a break and a strong close candle above the 5-minute high, and we'll enter into a long. We are approaching the 5-minute high right here. Again, I need to see a break below and then close above it. This is a nice steady downward trend. It hasn't been erratic. Okay, here's a quick drop into it. I gotta wait for a strong price action before we can enter into a long. This might just cut right through this and head down into our 5-minute low, but we'll wait and see. Yeah. This was a bit of a fake out. Alright, we broke below the 5-minute low. Nice displacement. We'll wait for the retest and see what we can do. It's a little bit of a small retest. We're going to wait for this candle to close, but we might be entering into a short here, depending. Now we're breaking above. Let's see where the sellers and buyers want to be at. We had a break above the 5-minute high and a break below the 5-minute low. If we break above this again, odds are this day's going to be a choppy day, a lot of sideways action, and it's something that I don't want to trade. I had a really big day yesterday. I would prefer not to give anything back. So we'll have some patience and see. We'll see what we could do before 8 o'clock. Once 8 o'clock rolls around, now I'll call it for the day. We broke above the 5-minute high here. Barely broke above it though. I'm not convinced. I need to see a little bit more displacement. This technically is a retest. We'll wait until this candle closes, but it looks like it'll close above the 5-minute high, so it is a retest. I'm just not convinced of the strength, being that it came all the way up here, came all the way down below the 5-minute high, and now we're back into the 5-minute high. Or sorry, came down to 5 low into the 5-minute high. Ideally, I'd like to see this candle hold above this 5-minute high. That'll give me enough confidence to say that the market does want to go up. We have all of this chop. That is going to start to act as support. We'll wait for this candle to close and see what we could do. That's a better close.
Order submitted.
Buyers are really struggling right here to get above this zone right here. I have my stop loss at the break. Actually, my stop loss technically should be below the break of the 5-minute high. So it should be right here. That's a lot of capital giveaway. I think I really want to put it right here. Now we do have some news at 7 o'clock, consumer confidence. It's a yellow label folder event, and then we have an orange label folder event. Nothing too crazy. It could be causing some chop. I'm going to move this here just in case we have a wick out. I'd hate to get wicked out real quick and then it jump all the way up to where it's supposed to go. We got about 30 seconds until the news hits. We'll see how it fares, and then we might be calling it a day. Yep. And there's the news. Let's move that out of the way. There it is right there. Okay. We almost hit our first target. Alright, it does look like the buyers are stepping in. Let it hit our first target, and then we'll see how much strength we have to have it go to our second runner. Buyers really need to reclaim this area right here. Once we can do that, we'll shoot for the high of day. Oh wow, we like are tapping my price target. Alright,
order canceled.
Move my stop loss up to break even. And I'll move it up accordingly. We'll see the strength that we could build here. Ideally, I want to see it come to this zone right here. But we're also up a lot of money, and I don't want to be too greedy. I'm up 60 points, 66 points. points, 70 points. Alright, we're going to let it hit this number and then close out. People are taking their profit. I might take my profit here as well. Ooh, there we go. Awesome.
Order
We hit our
canceled.
target. Another great trading day. I probably should have moved it to this zone right here. That's just me being greedy, but we're all closed out of accounts. Ended the week really strong. Let's see, the one account says $967.50. I have a couple accounts that were over $1,000. So super solid trading day. That just goes to show you what patience gives you. This was a fake out. We didn't hold the 5-minute high. We broke below the 5-minute low, and then had a lot of strength to the upside. We broke out. This was the test that I should have entered in on, the retest that I should have entered in on, but I just wasn't confident in it. Then we had this candle here with the wick, where it looked like buyers really stepped in to want to show this going up more. So we entered in right, unfortunately, here, but we had some little news event that caused this a little bit of a wicking, but we took it to the first price target that we wanted and to our second runner and ended the day strong. So thanks for tuning in. We are done at 7:07. Have a great weekend.